Hi guys, Genevieve here from Sephora in Nashville, Tennessee. If you want to see a few of my favorite ways to lip line, stay tuned. Okay, so for a super quick and easy lip for every day, I'm going to start out with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner in shade Super Size Me. I really love this shade because it's like a natural pink, but a couple shades darker than a natural lip color. I start out by saturating this product on the outer perimeters of the lips, and I do this on both sides, really just saturating that color so you can get depth. When you add more depth at the outer perimeter of your lips, it kind of makes the center of them look a little bit fuller. So you're getting some definition without making it too hard on yourself. Just so this texture can blend into the rest of the lip, I like to use the Sephora Collection Pro Lip Brush number 85 to just blend this texture into the center of the lips a bit and smooth it out, just so the lip liner isn't feeling too heavy. Once I have those outer corners blended out, I just like to saturate a little bit more where I feel like I want a little bit more depth, which is usually on the outermost perimeters. For the actual lipstick, I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution lipstick in shade Pillow Talk. This is the perfect natural pink color for anyone. I love to throw this on top of this lip liner that's just concentrated on the outer perimeters, and I really swipe this all over the lip. Once I press it together, I can really saturate in the center where I want the lighter color. Again, using that lighter color on the inside just gives a fuller appearance to the lips. And like I said, this is super quick and easy. I feel like I can do it when I'm running out the door and I can get it done in less than a minute. Also, just so none of this product gets on my teeth and it looks a little bit more natural, I like to just blot it a bit with a tissue before I run out the door. And there we go, a super quick and easy lip that's perfect for anyone's everyday just going to work. For my second lip look, I'll be showing you something a little bit more dressy. This is an ombre lip look. This is basically just going to play on a tone of lipstick, but we're using two different shades to create some dimension. So I'm going in with a deeper lip liner. One of my favorites is the NARS Precision Lip Liner, and this is shade Write It. I'm going to be taking this lip liner, and I like to start in the center and then kind of feel for my outer corner of the lips to kind of start filling in all over the outer perimeter of the lip. I'm not bringing this into the center yet. You really just want to concentrate most of the product and texture on the outer perimeters. This will add a little bit more depth and color just to my lip line. I'm just defining my lip line at the top with that same lip liner. And now I'm going to go in with the Sephora Collection number 85 brush, and I am using little short motions to blend the texture of this lip into the center. You can see it's already creating a really smooth and cool looking transition. So like even if you were going to go out wearing just a liner, this would just help it blend into the rest of the lip. I like to blend it into the inner perimeter of the lip, even though I'm going to go in with a lipstick there because it's going to give us that hold of the lip liner without saturating too much of the color in the center. To fill in the center of the lip, I'm going to go in with the Givenchy Le Rouge lipstick in Rose Stiletto number 329. I love this classic blue undertone red to pair with more of this berry lip liner. Like I said, we're playing on two different colors within the same color range, just a little bit deeper than the other. The plum really helps accentuate that classic red and take it to the next level. I'm just concentrating it on the center of the lip, and then I'm using the brush number 85 again to kind of blend those two textures together, just so there's not any choppy lines and it looks like really smooth and pretty. And as you can see, we have a lot of really pretty depth and definition to the lip while still having that nice classic red in the center. Now to add a little bit more sheen and pigment to the center of the lip, I'm using the NARS Velvet Lip Glide in shade Lip Palace. I love the texture of this lip because over time, it kind of dries down to more of a velvety texture, but in the beginning, it's really glossy and pretty. And there you have it, an ombre lip. I really love this for a night out, or if I really am going with more of a simple eye and want a statement lip look. Now, one of my favorite lip looks, if I have a little bit more time at the beginning of my morning, I'm going to be overlining my lips. You want to make sure that you're using a color that is a little bit more neutral to really help add a contour to the lip. I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner in Iconic Nude. I love the tone of this lip liner because it is more of a cool undertone brown, so it's going to really help add that depth. I'm starting out by placing the liner at the outer perimeter of the lip. When you're overlining, I like to start out by just lining my natural lip line and then adding on the texture of the lip to help start going a little bit outside of the lines. But you always want to start at your natural lip line so you can have a really good starting point. Once you start at the outer perimeters, I feel like it's a really good guide. Another really good tip is to avoid overlining too much at your Cupid's bow. Let your Cupid's bow be the guide to where you're going to start overlining. The 2 points on your lip that are the most prominent are going to be your Cupid's bow and the end of your bottom lip. So you want to make sure that you're lining a bit more strategically at those points. That way it doesn't look clown-like, but it looks like something that's a little bit more natural. I'm really saturating this product on my lip line, but also filling in the outer corners of my lips. And then I'm drawing a little bit of a line at the center of my bottom lip just to help add that really nice plump depth when we layer a lipstick on top. I really make sure that I'm adding that definition on the outer perimeters of the lip and that line at the center of the lip just because it gives a little bit more of a pouty effect. Now to top this lip liner, I'm going to be using a tone that's maybe 2 shades lighter than my lip liner. This will really help add dimension, but give a fuller appearance to the lip. I'm using the Kat Von D Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick in Ophelia. I love this formula because it feels really nice and soft for a matte, and it has a really nice vanilla essence to it. The texture works really well with any lip liner, and I'm just starting out by concentrating this lipstick on the center of my lip and then working my way out. Once I press these two products together with my lips, I really like the texture that I get. Now for a glossy effect, I'm using the Sephora Collection Ultra Shine Lip Gel in Perfect Nude. I love a gloss at the center of an overlined lip because it gives more of a realistic appearance. It makes everything look fuller and prettier, and the textures of the two products that you used before kind of just mesh together into one. Thanks so much for watching my lip liner video. Please comment all of your favorite shades to lip line, and make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much, and until next time guys, bye!